Yay, it's all finished. Isn't it just so cute? I just love gnomes. I think they're so adorable. I love how it all turned out. Like my sister, she does these all the time and she has made I don't know how many. I honest to goodness don't know. But I don't mind doing this once in a while, but it's not something that I can do all the time. But it was fun. I enjoyed it, and now it's all done. And what am I going to do with it? Probably just hang it on my wall because it's cute. Like, look at that. I love how it sparkles. So my sister, she puts Mod Podge on hers to kind of seal it and keep those beads in, which is a wonderful idea. I think I'm just going to hang it on the wall. There it is, all done. It is so cute. Hi, Tux. Since I've been home from working, because I'm on days off right now, he's been so needy and so lovey-dovey towards me. I think he's really been missing me, haven't you, baby? Yeah, you're a good boy. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's kind of a different one for me, doing the, what is it called? The time lapse. But I hope you enjoyed it. I really think that this turned out so cute. And of course, I had to put my name on the bottom. It's what every good artist does. I got told many years ago is to always sign your work. So thank you so much for joining me today, and have a Merry Christmas. Happy crafting.